Today I shall talk about how to target intended audience for digital marketing. Content writing and digital marketing are the subjects. Most of the journals and bloggers write contents for a vast audience to reach more traffic and popularity. However, in the case of digital marketing, the most crucial factor is to drive leads through them. To achieve this, digital marketers have to target specific audiences with particular interests who have the potential to become a customer or client. So, to target traffic with such interest is called the intended audience. Targeting intended audience for successful digital marketing. How can digital marketing be done in business? 3 possible subjects. Digital marketing cannot be done in an instant. It is a slow progress followed by analysts, strategy making and executing it right. Doing them correctly will lead you to catch the attention of the target audience, transform them into leads. The main difference between bloggers and digital marketers is that digital marketers strategize content to make conversions within the demographic of their target audience, whereas bloggers strategize content to create a larger traffic. Digital marketing is not a constant thing that can be perfectly done as policies, and it's actually spelled ALGORITHMS. I can't say it. Keep changing every day anyway. Even the so-called professional digital marketers conduct analysis and learn new things every day to target their prospective audiences. I am going bad today. From this you could understand that a higher target market is the thing that every digital marketer is trying to achieve for better conversions and returns on investment, called the for short ROI. How to find a target audience for digital marketing. Digital marketing find their target market by following the data analysis of customers from different sources, such as interests, gender, location, age range, keyword research, devices, and competitors' target market. Small businesses or a large enterprise, anyone can simply conduct this analysis with the help of Google Analytics. Creating a simple prosperity and checking the demographics in Google Analytics will give you insight about the audience throughout the website. However, if you need details and specific, create a rule in the analytic Google to know deeper insights of your target audience. Interests. Collecting trending search queries and people's interest is a simple way to find the audience in digital marketing. To know about people's interests, analyzing the Google search bar query, social media engagements, and Google FAQ, full answer questions. Snippets are some of the best ways. Age range. The demographic age group is very useful to compare interests of the people in a different age group. This helps us to narrow down the target market. In addition to that, the chance of finding people with higher purchasing intentions for your product. Locations. If your business provides services for only selected locations, effort in marketing the business vastly will go in vain. So, create content and conduct ad campaigns for selected locations. This will ensure to find leads within those surroundings. In another case, if you are targeting a wide range, let's say nationally, finding the state that brings more leads is helpful, or county, or whatever they call it in your country. Now you can focus more on that particular state device. As per statistics, 83% of the website traffic comes from the desktop. So it is always best to stick to the idea to optimize your website in a user-friendly way for a desktop user. However, mobile users may increase during the change in seasonality, locations, and other factors. Keyword research. Keyword research is the most critical part of creating content that trigger search engine optimization. Abbreviated is SEO. In digital marketing, the search engine analyzes the keyword in the content and deliver them to the audience with relevant search queries. This is why keyword research must be done based on its volume, difficulty, CTR, etc. to reach the potential target clients. CTR stands for click-through rate, if you were wondering. Competitors' target market. Studying your competitive company's products, services, strategies, and customers is the key way to win the market. Remember that the competitor's customer is your customer. Their interest in companies can always shift from one to another with curiosity and customer satisfaction. So, studying about the competitor's customers and their interests will pave the way to make them your customer. You can also study the preference of the audience through the strategies you have been following to drive the target customer. For example, the reached audience from your ad campaigns, blogs, emails, etc. What are ways to attract the attention of the audience in digital marketing? Attract the target customers in digital marketing is a way to drive traffic into conversions. Finding potential customers who could buy the product or service is the only way to profitable conversions. Following these 10 ways to find this target market with the potential audience. Provide relevant content. Promote on social media. Email writing. Provide relatability to customers. Guaranteed and success path. Conduct ad campaigns. Categorize the content. Interact with customers. Develop a content strategy for the well-performing blogs. Usage of mid and low volume keywords in the search queries. Make the website user-friendly. Relevant contents. Create only relevant content about the company's niche and provide a detailed explanation about the services and products. Briefing about the particularities and advantages of your service through your content is essential. The target customers, especially with such interests, to engage with the content and increases the chances of intentional buys. Social media pages. Creating social media profile is the best way for creating leads for a product-based company. With the right social media marketing and management, one can easily attract the intended audience for their niche. The video format social media posts, such as Instagram Reel, IGTV, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, etc., are one of the best ways for customers' engagements. Email writing. Gathering collective emails through email subscriptions and forms helps the marketer to keep track of people who have interests relating to the service or product. Constant email marketing should be done to withhold the past customer as well as achieve new audience. Delivering creative contents with CTA, which is call to action, converts emails to conversions. Reliability, which is more than you can say for my reading. Being reliable to customers is one of the major practices for bringing clients to customers and customers. Keep the work and results of the service transparent to the intended audience. Build trust and authority to customers. Keeping track of the success of the previous clients and representing them attracts the target market. Ad campaigns. Conduction ad campaigns are not just for paid traffic, but help to greater extent for analyzing the target market. The data such as demographics, interests, age, device, and marital status of the intended audience can be collected from ongoing campaigns. Using this, you can create more precise ad campaigns that target the exact audience. This levitates the conversions even more. Categorize. On websites, an important SEO technique that helps the search engines to understand your content easily is categorizing. Create a relevant category to your content and sort them accordingly. Do not create more categories and keep it as simple as possible. The search engine will understand the intent of the content and deliver them to the right audience. Content strategy. Strategizing contents for your blog post, articles and social media posting is one of the most important factors to drive audience and conversions for your business. Analyzing the well-performing content on the site and creating a content tree mapping will increase the sessions time and reduce the bounce rate. The audience who reaches the well-performing blog will look out for related contents on your website. If you achieve creating related content for them, the audience will stay longer on your website, generating conversions. Interacting. Certain audience try to interact with the company through comments, direct messages, emails, etc., as they are unclear about the services and might not be that confident to buy your product. So, reply to comments, conducting social media polls, FAQs, demo sessions, etc. will drive more target audiences and return on the investment ROI. User experience. The importance of user interface UI and user experience UX is supreme when it comes to SEO. The rankings of the page is directly linked to the page speed. Higher the rank, the higher the audience. Furthermore, the users stay longer if the website is attractive and user-friendly, and the more likely to turn into a lead. Usage of keywords. Now, focusing on high volume keywords has much competition, mixed audiences, and is difficult to rank. Instead, focus on keywords with mid or comparatively low volume and long tail keywords. This narrows down the possibility of reaching a larger audience and making the ranking difficulty easier. Keyword stuffing isn't working anymore so place limited keywords relatable to the content to rank better and drive audience. If you use high volume keywords and successfully target a vast audience, there are more chances of losing clients and conversions for the various factors. And that is it. It was a bit of a mess, but I hope you found something interesting. If you did, please press the like button and also the bell button at the top, and just put all. They'll send you notification when my next video goes up. Thank you very much for watching. It has been a bit longer than I thought it would be, but may I say good luck in your internet quest, and all the best from Ian Jackson. I do hope you found something that helped you. There is a link in front of you, which is my website. If you would like to go there, then that can lead you further up the ladder of success.